Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up Capital One's mobile banking. Let's get straight into the video. First up, download the app. So if you don't have the app, first thing you want to do is to go to the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices, and then search for Capital One Mobile and just select the app from the search results and download that to your mobile device. Now once you have the app, go ahead and open it. So you want to open that device, open the app on your device, and then you want to enter your Capital One's username and password to log into the app. Or if you don't have an account already, just go ahead and sign up for one. And then you can if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you want to enter the verification code that's going to be sent to your phone or email address to access your account. Now for setting up mobile banking, you can set up account access. So you set up access to your Capital One accounts, including checkings accounts, savings accounts, credit card accounts, and loan accounts. And just enable mobile deposits to deposit checks remotely using your mobile device camera. You could also set up transfer funds to transfer money between your Capital One accounts or to external accounts. You could also set up bill pay. So you can set up bill pay to pay bills online using your mobile device. Now for customizing the app, there are a few options that you have. You could customize your account view. So you can customize your account view to see the accounts and informations that you want to see. You could also set up account alerts to notify you of low balances, large transactions, and other activities. You could also enable fingerprint or facial recognition login for an additional layer of security. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope you found the information useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.